Have you ever wondered what the future holds for robotics? Picture this. A groundbreaking project by a team of ingenious researchers has just unveiled a remarkable robot called Mobile Aloha. This robot is set to redefine our expectations for what robots can do, and believe me, it's not your average kitchen assistant. And hey, if you're new here or you've been with us for a while now, welcome back to A.I Accessible, where we break down the mysteries of artificial intelligence for everyone. Now let's talk about Mobile Aloha, a groundbreaking robot created by researchers from Google DeepMind and Stanford University. This robot isn't your typical kitchen assistant, it's a game changer. Imagine a robot cooking a three-course meal with precision, challenging what we thought robots could do. The team behind it, including Xiang Fu, Tony Z, and Chelsea Finn, have pushed the boundaries of robotics with Mobile Aloha, making it more than just a stationary gadget, but a dynamic problem solver. Mobile Aloha takes learning to a whole new level with co-training, mastering tasks that require both hand coordination and mobility. It's not just about mimicking human actions, it's about extrapolating from the data to handle unforeseen challenges. This robot isn't confined to rigid tasks, but adapts to its environment, tackling even the unexpected with ease. Take cracking eggs while stirring a bowl as an example. Mobile Aloha executes these tasks seamlessly while moving around, showcasing its adaptability. This implies a shift in how we perceive robots. They're not just assistants, but versatile problem solvers capable of handling complex tasks. What does this mean for you? Imagine a future where robots seamlessly integrate into our lives, revolutionizing daily routines. Mobile Aloha isn't just a robot, it's a glimpse into what's possible. Now, let's explore its real-time autonomous tasks to see its capabilities in action. All right, buckle up because this is where Mobile Aloha truly blows minds. Picture a robot cooking shrimp or navigating chairs autonomously. It's not just about the predefined tasks. This robot adapts in real time. Need it to zip up a jacket? Clean a restroom? Mobile Aloha does it with efficiency and speed, making you question what robots can genuinely achieve. From zipping up jackets to cleaning restrooms, Mobile Aloha handles a variety of tasks autonomously. It doesn't just perform predefined actions. It adapts to dynamic environments, showcasing resilience against adversarial disturbances. This isn't a scripted performance. It's a robot seamlessly integrating into real-world scenarios, challenging our expectations. Consider the robot's ability to clean a restroom in real time. It's not a choreographed task, it's a demonstration of the robot's practicality. Mobile Aloha isn't just about predefined actions, it's about handling everyday challenges with finesse. This implies a future where robots can be trusted with diverse tasks, making them valuable assets in various environments. So, what's the takeaway for you? Imagine a robot that adapts to real-world scenarios, tackling tasks autonomously. Mobile Aloha isn't just a futuristic concept. It's a demonstration of what's possible today. As we move forward, let's delve into the hardware and open-source aspect, making this technology more accessible and affordable for everyone. Now, if you're finding this information exciting and valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on future insights about what AI has to offer. Now let's talk about what makes Mobile Aloha not just an exclusive innovation, but a potential game changer for everyone. The hardware is impressive, featuring a mobile base called Tracer, known for its speed, load-bearing capacity, and ability to navigate obstacles. What's even more surprising is that this cutting-edge robotics system, including all peripherals, can be yours for just $32,000. Tracer, the chosen mobile base, isn't just a random pick. It's cost-effective, speedy, and can handle heavy loads. The entire robotics rig, including its own battery and computer, is self-powered, making it versatile and efficient. The affordability of $32,000, considering the capabilities it offers, opens the door for accessibility and potential widespread adoption. Consider the fact that other humanoid robots with basic capabilities often cost six figures. Mobile Aloha challenges this by providing a sophisticated system at a fraction of the cost. The open-source aspect adds another layer, allowing individuals to explore, adapt, and potentially contribute to the project. This not only democratizes access to advanced robotics, but also fuels innovation. What does this mean for you? Imagine having access to advanced robotics that not only perform complex tasks, but are also affordable. Mobile Aloha sets a precedent, showing that cutting-edge technology doesn't have to break the bank. As we move forward, let's explore how the software side complements this impressive hardware, ensuring the robot learns efficiently and adapts to various scenarios. Co-training isn't just a buzzword, it's a revolutionary approach. By exposing Mobile Aloha to diverse examples, from precise hand movements to navigating rooms, the robot becomes a versatile problem solver. Learning from both static and dynamic tasks enables it to handle complex challenges, like cooking a complete meal. This adaptability sets Mobile Aloha apart, making it more than just a programmed machine. So, what's in it for you? Imagine a robot that isn't confined to a set of predefined tasks, but can adapt to various scenarios effortlessly. Mobile Aloha, through co-training, becomes a dynamic learner, showcasing a future where robots are more than programmed machines. As we wrap up, let's revisit the potential impact of this innovative approach and discuss the future of robotics. Now, to wrap everything up, remember, Mobile Aloha isn't just a robot. It's like a helpful friend, ready to make our lives easier. Watching it cook, clean, and adapt to different tasks is like a sneak peek into the future. Can you imagine having a robot buddy helping out at home or even in hospitals? It's exciting to think about. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content to join us in unraveling the mysteries that await in the world of AI. Stay tuned for the exciting revelations ahead, where we contemplate the possibilities of AI, only here on A.I Accessible, where we break down the mysteries of artificial intelligence for everyone.